Hello everyone, welcome to Java Code Threads. Today we are going to solve a new problem. The numbers which are start with 1, we need to find it. So we are applying Java 8 here. So we are using a stream APIs. So let's get started. So here is the list and I'm converting that list into the stream first. And then my strategy here is each number I will convert it into the string. For that purpose, I will use a map function and each number I have to convert it to the string. So I'll use integer dot. There is a one static function to string I'm applying here. And after each number is converted into the string, then I will filter my records. Uh, each number is act as a string now. So I'll use a start with function. Is dot start with, and I need to pass that string prefix over here. So we need to check those numbers start with 1, correct? And now we can collect that record by using the terminal operation. So for that purpose, I'm using terminal operation as a for each, and that I'm passing my number over here and print system dot out dot print. Okay, so here I'm printing number and okay, this is our solution. Now let me run first. Yeah, so number 11, 10, 15, and 11, 1 1 1 triple 1 got printed. So let me add one more number in the middle. Let's do it. Yeah, we got the output. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.